things do they need to do to get on the right track?
Well, I think there's a few basic things that are kind of critical for anyone who wants to expose their markets and expose their money to the markets and control that exposure. One is to truly treat it as a business. We oftentimes hear that, but what does that mean? It means to have a very specific, logical process that you're going to use to expose your money to the market. I think the critical steps there is that you take, which is the second part, is really to take your time. A lot of people say, you got to get in this market right now because it's going to be happening. Well, I've heard that for over 20 years. There's always an opportunity. So you want to take your time before you get started. And what I mean by that also is to take your time to analyze the approach that you're going to use. Look at how it reacts to the markets that you're interested in. And that really brings me to the third area. Pick a market or a sector or a futures market that you find of interest, one that sparks your interest in the market. Take that one market or that one sector and pick the strongest stock in that sector and focus all your attention on that. Take it apart. Take your trading technique and concept and apply it to that market so that you have an idea of what it looks like when it works, you have an idea of what it looks like when it fails, you have an idea of how much risk you should take on this trade, you have an idea of how patient you should be with this trade, and it's a simple thing.